With spring on the horizon, it's time to prepare for the refreshing change of season. As we anticipate the arrival of warmer weather and blooming flowers, let's explore inspiring spring decor ideas to rejuvenate your home. Join us as we delve into simple yet impactful ways to infuse your living space with the vibrant spirit of spring. Use scented floral candles like gardenia or jasmine to infuse your home with delightful spring aromas, creating a serene atmosphere. Hang botanical prints in the entryway over a console to introduce a touch of nature-inspired elegance and welcome guests with fresh, vibrant artwork. Add pastel linen pillows to the sofa in soft yellow, blush pink, robin's egg blue, or mint green to bring a subtle pop of spring color and cozy comfort to your living space. Mix and match tones for added visual interest. Place a stack of colorful books on the coffee table to inject personality and style into your living room while adding a playful element to your decor. Create a stunning focal point arrangement with a mix of fresh spring flowers such as lily of the valley, tulips, hyacinth, and daffodils. Layer them in a single bouquet or place them in separate vases grouped together for maximum impact. Open all the windows and draperies to invite the warm spring sunlight into your home, brightening up your space and creating a refreshing ambience. Add removable wall decals with spring or floral motifs to the bathroom or laundry room to add a touch of seasonal charm without committing to permanent decor changes. Hang a market basket over a doorknob and let armloads of flowers spill over the corners for a charming and rustic accent that welcomes guests with natural beauty. Display vacation photos from warm weather places to evoke fond memories and bring a touch of wanderlust-inspired decor into your home. Present a group of lemons on a cake plate and display it on the kitchen island to create a cheerful and vibrant focal point that adds a pop of color to your kitchen decor. Paint something white, whether it's a piece of furniture you've been eyeing suspiciously or a woven basket that could use a crisp new coat, to freshen up your decor and create a clean, airy look. Use bird motifs throughout your decor, whether it's through little bird figurines or printed textiles, to add a whimsical and nature-inspired touch to your home. Lighten up your home by decluttering your spaces and using fewer pillows, books, and vases, allowing your decor to breathe and creating a more spacious and serene environment. Have the windows clean to enhance the brightness of your home and maximize the flow of natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. pastel tablecloth over an end table to add a soft and subtle pop of color to your living space, creating a cozy and welcoming ambience. Introduce rattan accessories like vases, trays, and wicker baskets to bring a touch of natural texture and warmth to your decor, adding depth and interest to your space. Add butterfly napkin rings to your tableware for a charming and whimsical touch that adds a hint of springtime delight to your dining experience. Flank the front door with boxwood topiaries to create an elegant and welcoming entrance that exudes timeless sophistication and natural beauty. Place a weathered watering can at the foot of a chair, embracing its rustic charm and nostalgic appeal, adding a touch of character to your decor. Adorn the front door with a wreath of cherry blossoms, symbolizing the arrival of spring and adding a burst of color and beauty to your home's exterior. Refreshing your home for spring doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple yet inspiring decor ideas, you can create a space that feels light, airy, and full of life. We hope these suggestions have sparked your creativity and inspired you to bring the essence of spring into your home. Happy decorating!